బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ కూడా వాకింగ్ అవసరమా? Hi friends! Just for 2 days. Huh? This is for 2 freaking days. This is the villa. We're taking out all the saman. So cute. Raksha is crying because one cake got spoiled. Hey, cute. Pool, chairs. I think this is going to be the night today. That's the entrance. This is one more entrance. Finally here in the villa. I'm exhausted. Forget how I'm looking. But yeah, here the property is quite nice. Sitting here, my view is the pool. All of them are sitting inside. I'm sitting outside. They're coming out. I think they're just grabbing something. But I'm so exhausted. I really need to take bath and get ready. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं और यहाँ पे पारी हो रही है। हाय आकांक्षा करूँगी వాళ్ళకి రెఫరెన్స్ కూడా అర్థం కాదేమో ఆకాంక్ష కొమరేలి ఆకాంక్ష కొమరేలి ఇస్ నాట్ చాలా గట్టిపై కలిపినోలే Hello. They only know you. Come and introduce you. This is Spandana and Kavya. Hi friends. This is Kavya.
Happy birthday to you. 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 Yay.
అవును ఆ పింక్ చెప్పలే కదా మనం ఎంత క్లియర్ గా మనకి డార్క్ వైలెట్ అని చెప్పినాం మనం పర్పుల్ వైలెట్ ఇంకా వైట్ అంటే ఆ మీదే చిన్ని నీదే నా పేరు కూడా పెట్టేసి ఫీడ్ ద ఎంటైర్ కేక్ నో లేవాలే ఇంపాసిబుల్ అదర్వైజ్ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది అమ్మో లిటరలీ టీ పార్టీ బ్రో లైక్ వాట్ యు సే Hi friends. So cute. Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh my god, so cute, dude. See what is no you open. Yes, very much. Thank you, dude. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you so much. party's name is CCC. It's celebrating cancer chicks. It's so cute. Everybody has their own seating. So cute, bro. This is. Look at the details. Look at the cupcakes. Oh my god. These are my cupcakes. Oh, must say. The bachelorette good చేసుకోలేము బ్రో నేను ఇట్లా. ఏమంటా? దాని బ్యాచిలరేట్ కూడా వేసుకోదంట ఇట్లా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. కేక్ కటింగ్ ఇక్కడ. ఓ వావ్. ఎండుందిగా. Bro, it's so cute, bro. This cake is.
And heart, on a heart.
Oh.
It's like your tattoo, dude. That goes straight like that.
Bus on bus. ఏ అట్లా ఏం లే బ్రో మీరు ఏమి ఇచ్చినా తీసుకుంటా. Your birthday too.
Your birthday too.
Happy birthday, Siri.
Thank you, Akanksha. Wish you the same.
It's so nice to say same to you, no? Oh, that was the only thing missing, bro. Hello. Okay, my birthday is half done. It's 1:30. We just had food here. The setup is so beautiful. Everybody just went inside. They changed. Few people are still eating. Second round. We started this at 10 o'clock. We had this food. It's 2 o'clock now, and we just got done. I just wanted to take a moment, take it in with you guys. It's so pretty. There's actually one more decor spot there as well, and this one especially is so cute. But yeah, done. This is my birthday. Last night we slept late and they made me actually sleep early. We slept at 3 o'clock and they made me wake up so early in the morning. They were like, you have to wake up because they arranged for like breakfast. The croissant was so yummy and tiny sandwiches, the tea. It was literally so cute. I don't know, Blue. I've just been smiling since morning. There's one more girl's birthday. She also came. We cut her cake. Actually, there are 3 birthday girls today. One of my friend, her birthday is in few days. So we are celebrating together. We are giving this party together. Then Siri came. Her birthday is also today. And it is very, 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 very cute. I'm so sleepy now. I'm done. I'll just go change and chill now. From now, the party is on till tomorrow morning because tomorrow morning we have to check out. And yeah, that's so much fun. I could not record a lot last night though. I was done. I did not record anything. I was in the moment. I met these people after so many years that I was we were talking constantly. We did not have time to do anything. I shot bits and pieces, but I don't even know what is there. And I was out. I was gone. But look at her. So yeah, we're done. Hi Spandy.
Hello.
That's my friend Spandana. This is all the after scene. The food is gone. The caterers or whatever they are left. Only this decor people also will take it off now. It is so pretty. I can't get over it. How cute is this decor? That's Spandana. That's Kavya. That's Navya. Navya people know. Where are other people, bro? They even got 70k before I hit also. It's my birthday and they combined it with 70k. I still did not hit, by the way. It's just 2 o'clock. Anybody here? Nobody here. Hi, Raksha.
Hello, we are waiting.
Hi, friends.
Hello.
That is Siri and
Ritesh.
Ritesh. Where are other...
Akanksha, cake number.
Cake number.
Do you have any idea?
She said cake number. I said cake number. I don't know, bro.
Happy birthday to you.
I'll end on mottam. I feel it'll melt off in some time.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
చిన్న పిల్లలు అక్షరాలు జనాలే ఎవరు లేరు మనకి మనమే ఆడియన్స్ మనకి హాస్టల్ ఉన్నది కదా
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear guys.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు అస్ అసలు ఏంటి అసలు దిగానంటుంది ఫాండెంట్ బ్రో చాలా గట్టిగా ఉంది ఫాండెంట్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే సిరి థ్యాంక్ యూ
I love you guys.
So yeah guys, that's it for my birthday vlog. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes, all the comments, all the DMs, all the stories, everything. Thank you so much. I had a freaking amazing day on my birthday. I shot as much as I could. I took videos from everybody and made a compilation. I know you guys really wanted to see the vlog, so I tried to do something and this is what I came up with. I know it can be like very random, but everything is in what do you say, sequence, like how the events happened from the first day to second day. So hopefully you understood. I had a really amazing time. It's been a couple of days that my birthday is over, but I still can't get over it. I came home, I took a minute to take everything in. I have the best sister and best friend in the entire world. They went so beyond to make everything happen. Like I mean, they already did the breakfast, then they did the decor, then they did one more decor for cake cutting. Literally, Raksha that day got 8 cakes. Can you imagine? Mine, Harni's birthday, right? So there were so many cakes. She went literally 8 cakes. She even sent me a video of that day. And I did not we did not even have space to put cakes and luggage in the car. It was that bad. I mean, it was good. I mean, bad in the sense that we did not have place to put stuff in the car. But it was a beautiful surprise. So I love enjoying English breakfast, okay, like croissant, pancakes. I love having them. So they organized an entire tea party. The setup, first of all, so cute, and the food was also so amazing. There was literally a pancake counter where they'll serve you hot pancakes while you're eating. There were cream filled croissant, there were plain croissant, there were sandwiches, there were mousses, cupcakes, and also cake again for cake cutting. And I mean, I can't even tell you, they were small bread slices with chicken. I don't even know what those dishes are called, but they made it happen, dude. They made it happen. I mean, I had a hint that they are doing something because, if you watched my previous vlog, they told me you need to wear something cute and all, right? So, but I did not think this. And I loved the food. I enjoyed it so much. I had so much sweet that day. I don't think I ever had so much sweet in my entire life like I had on that day. It was so yummy. The food was amazing. The decor amazing. Everything was amazing. They were so scared it'll rain that day because we had to wake up in the morning. When they told me, actually initially I have to wake up early in the morning, so I have to sleep early. I'm like, bro, it's my birthday. I am not going to sleep early, okay? But they made me sleep by 2:30 or something. And in the morning, they woke me up early. First, they said I have to wake up at 6 o'clock. No, I am not waking up at 6 o'clock. Then they woke me up at around 8 o'clock to get ready. And 9:30, we wanted to start the breakfast. Because first of all, it will get hot. The setup is outside, right? Already the cupcakes were melting. So we had to sit outside. So we wanted to get it done sooner. And also they were scared that it'll rain. So they made like this cute little setup. They got it done. So I'll leave all the Instagram handles of people who did. The decor was done by Forever Events. The food was from Fonsu. That's a cafe in Hyderabad. And what else? The villa we stayed was Shamirpet Farm Air. So I will leave the details in the description if you do want to check it out. None of this is sponsored. I mean, I can't, if I think about that day, I'm really smiling. So the first day only all girls were there, and second day few of my the other girl's birthday girl was there, Harni, the yellow dress one. Her few friends came the next day. That was a different party after that. But yeah, I am back. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Honestly, I this time was I just need my friends. I'm going somewhere, I'm going to chill there. I don't even need anything else. And this was totally unexpected, and I even like it. Raksha gave this bracelet. Oh yeah, let me show you my gift. So Raksha gave me this horseshoe bracelet. It is so delicate. I love it. I've been wearing it since the day she put it on. So horseshoe is known for good luck. So the couple of other things I got, let me show. So Raksha gave me this bracelet, and the other girls gave me this cute little necklace and this bag. I got a couple of other things, not sure where they are. My Pune friends sent me a dress. I went to Zara and I showed you one dress which Raksha wore, right, that day. So I told, I was generally telling my friend it's really nice. So they bought me that dress, but it was too tight. So I sent it for return and ordered something else. What else did I have to tell? I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you did, then make sure like, share, and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.